Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about the SR latch and D latch, how to implement using the master slave latches like that. Then here SR latch, it's a NAND version. How it's NAND version means we are using only in the NAND gate here. NAND gate means not plus AND gate. Not plus AND gate is connected. Here latch connection is giving. If suppose we are connected in flip means one more NAND, two NAND gates are connected in the one more connections are enabled in the flip-flop session. Here NOT gate is present. The truth table of the SR flip-flops. Sorry, latch. Here we are having two gates are using two inputs are there. That's why we are having the four input operations. Four states are present here. 2 power 2, so 4 states is present. If suppose we are using the 3 inputs means how many states are there? 2 power 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 combinations are present in the input and output session. Here we are only using the 2 inputs gates. Sorry, 2 inputs. That's why we are having the 4 states are present here. In SR flip-flop, we are using the 4 states 0001 and 1011. Here, in the SR flip-flop, we are using NAND gate means when it will low output is present means both inputs are high means we are having the low output is present in the NAND gate and one is low or both are low input is present means we are having high output is present in the output session. If suppose we are giving 0 0 is the input session in the S and R means if 0 is present means it's a 0 and 0 is giving the input session and what are the outputs are present means we are giving 0 then AND gate is producing the operation is plus not NAND and plus not. So we are giving 0 is the input means here we are giving 0 then here is also 0 is the output 0 is present then here NOT gate is present that's why 1 is present this 1 is giving to the input of OR gate then 0 into 1 0 into 1 means it will produce the 1 is the output then 1 is given here that like that we are having 1 and 1 is the output of the 0 0 combination then it will have output is 1. Then how to implement using the master slave flip-flop means just giving master means first one is acting as the master and second one is acting as the slave circuit. Here master is controlled the both slave and the output session. It's a master is producing output then only acting as the slave is going to on condition otherwise it's going to the off condition. Here this clock is giving the not to the slave session. Master is having the one is the output input of the clock means it will produce it will giving to the NOT gate and it will produce the 0 is the output of NOT and 0 is giving to the next clock to the slave. Just clock is having 1 in the master 0 in the master session means it's a slave of the 1 as the clock of the slave circuit. In this circuit we are having like that operation just to have master slave in the SR flip-flop. Then like that we are having both structure is going to combine and shown in the PPT and then we are giving next D flip-flop is giving D means it's just a delay circuit. Delay means it's a clock is giving in directly inverted to the clock signal into the D flip-flop and then that inverted signal is once again inverted that means once again we are giving NOT gate to the SR flip-flops that means slaves circuit that the flip-flop is different from SR flip-flop just giving one is the input is one output input is giving to the D flip-flop that SR means set and reset flip flop. D flip flop means it's a delay flip flop. Thank you, students.